Hi boys and girls, I want to talk to you about dormancy. Some plants go dormant to survive environmental changes. Trees are one example. They go dormant during certain seasons. The trees do not get as much sunlight when the days get shorter. They lose their leaves, they slow their growing, they grow new leaves in the spring. These changes happen in the winter. Here are the pictures of the tree and how it has gone dormant. Remember, dormant means that it is inactive, it is not growing at that time. Plants may also go dormant when it is very hot or dry. They stop growing for a while or grow very, very slowly. When it cools down, the rains, the plants grow again. When plants die or go dormant, animals can run out of food. If there's no food, animals might go dormant too. They stop moving around. Hibernation is a way of going dormant. An animal finds a place to rest. It does not eat. It uses stored energy in its body to survive. So here are some animals that go dormant whenever they run out of food because of the winter temperatures that makes all the plants and their food go dormant. So we have bats that they hibernate and they wrap their wings around themselves. They do not move until spring. Frogs hibernate. This kind digs a hole in soil or in a pile of dead leaves. Some frogs can even freeze soil, then thaw out in spring. If the weather changes, some animals leave the area. Some animals fly. Others walk miles and miles. They go to warmer areas during colder seasons. They return in the spring. Here is an example of a bird. The bird migrates from the North Pole to the South Pole. It travels more than 22,000 miles every year. Here is the cabaroo. These animals migrate every year as well. They travel up to 3,000 miles. So that concludes what I wanted to read about dormancy. So just remember that dormant means that it is inactive. It can't grow at that time because of the season that it's in. It's too cold for it to grow, and it's kind of like paused. It's paused from growing for a period of time.